Today we're going to be changing the taillight on a Chrysler 300. As you can see, our taillight is busted pretty bad. So I'm going to turn this over to my assistant. She's going to show you how to do it.
The first thing that we want to do is twist off 3 bolts. Now the first one is on the outside, and we're just going to twist this off. We're going to peel this back to get to the other 2. Now there's one right beside of the clip and one at the very top. Next, we're going to unhook our connection and just take out our taillight. And now we're going to put in our new taillight. Just line it up. Push it in. And we are going to only screw in the far left bolt and the top bolt for right now. Saving this last bolt for the very end. Now we're going to grab our connection and clip it on. Draw this back in and get our final bolt. And there you have it. Now let's give it a test.
And that's how you change a taillight on a 2006 Chrysler 300. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.